Want to hold the future in your hands? You need a prototype. Visit us online at www.agstech.net. Rapid prototyping is like making a rough draft of your invention. It's building a model quickly and affordably. This helps you test your ideas and make them better. Think of it like this. You wouldn't build a whole car without testing the design first. Prototyping is about trying, failing, and learning fast. It's the key to unlocking innovation. In today's world, speed is everything. Rapid prototyping gets your product to market faster. You can make changes quickly based on real feedback. This means you stay ahead of the competition. Prototyping also saves money. Finding problems early is cheaper than fixing them later. It's much better to break a prototype than a final product. Rapid prototyping is smart and efficient. There are tons of cool tools for rapid prototyping. 3D printing is a big one. It's like a Star Trek replicator. You design something on a computer and the printer makes it real. There's also CNC machining, which carves out your design from different materials. And don't forget about injection molding for making lots of plastic parts quickly. Need help bringing your ideas to life? AGS-TECH is here for you. We're experts in rapid prototyping. We use the latest technology to create high-quality prototypes. Visit us at www.agstech.net to learn more. Let us help you build the future.